Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I am so excited to share with you the Bolzano Handbag Subscription. You are not going to believe what you get for the money. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep watching. My name is Teresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. With spring right around the corner, I cannot wait for all the spring fashions and to switch out my handbag. And it was with perfect timing that Leylani at Bolzano graciously sent me this subscription. Now, if you watch my channel regularly, thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. You know that I'm not a unboxing channel per se. I really focus on the bargains. For example, the top that I have on, I only paid $8.98 for. Bolzano is one of those subscriptions that intersects value and fashion. We're going to look at everything that comes in this together. So first we'll look at the bag and then we'll look at the goodies inside. Oh, I love this. This is kind of a creamy beige and it's quilted, and I have to tell you right off the bat, this is a substantial feeling bag. I can tell that this is good quality. I'm going to take the plastic off of this and then I will bring this in closer so that we can talk about the details. So here's the bag, and I absolutely love the neutral color of this. This is going to go with literally everything. It has this beautiful quilting. The hardware is a highly polished silver tone, and then I want to show you the side of the bag. It looks like it has connectors for a crossbody, so I'm thinking that might be in the bag. I want to try out this mechanism. It has kind of two doodads here, and that popped up very easily. I love how it has a carry handle. I feel like a kid at Christmas because this bag is crammed with goodies. And I want to reiterate that this is $43.95. So it is the bag and everything that is in it for that price. I cannot get over the value. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out that's inside of the bag so that I can show you the interior. And wow, there is all kinds of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So inside of the bag, as I suspected, is a crossbody strap. My understanding is that Bolzano sends a crossbody strap with every single purse. And I love that detail because I love to have hands free. The inside of the bag has a black interior, and there is a slip pocket right here where you see my hand, which will be perfect for my cell phone. I love the shape and the structure of this bag. It does not have exterior pockets, but I think that's really part of the style. The bag also has silver feet on the bottom, and this is a feature that I especially appreciate in a quality bag. It helps to keep the bottom clean, and especially with a light color like this, I'm really glad to see that it does have the feet. There's also a card inside of the bag, and this tells you a little bit about this bag in particular. Because I already know that this is going to be my first spring bag, I am going to go ahead and attach the crossbody strap, and I'll show you this with the outfit that I have on today so that you can see it in use. I do want to point out that if you sign up for this service, you do fill out a profile. So you can pick things like bag shape, your preferred materials, and your preferred colors. I love the idea of being surprised with a new handbag every month, along with the little goodies that come in it. So the first thing that I see that I pulled out of the purse is another little dust bag. Oh wow, and inside of the dust bag is a little coin purse that matches the purse exactly. It's the same color, the same vegan leather. There's also a little plastic sleeve, and it looks like it has a scarf that will match this bag perfectly. And there's also a piece of jewelry. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the plastic, and then I'll bring this in tight to show you. This is a pretty silky feeling scarf that has the exact same creamy background. I like the shape of this because you can not only tie it to the handle of the purse, which I will do, but you can also wear these as a hair tie. I just think this is so pretty. Let me bring this in closer to show you the pattern. And here's a close-up of the pattern. It has a little bit of burgundy, a little bit of blue, and that pretty cream that matches the bag. And then while I'm in tight, I also want to show you this pretty delicate sparkling silver tone necklace. I think this goes perfectly with the neckline that I have on, so I think I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Here's a look at the necklace on, and just as I thought, it goes with this neckline perfectly. It hits me at just the right place. I love the little sparkle, and I'll back up so that you can see it full length. And here's how this pretty necklace looks from a distance. And believe it or not, we're not even done yet. So far we have the bag, the crossbody strap, the matching accessory, a scarf to tie onto the bag, and a necklace, and there's an entire bag of goodies. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the plastic and show you what's inside of here. The first thing that I see is something that I can always use because I have very dry lips. This is a strawberry lip scrub. And I'm curious, so of course I need to smell it. That smells so good. Can't wait to use that. Okay, so I wasn't quite expecting this, but this is silicone nipple covers, and even though it makes me giggle, there are certainly times when you need these. Honestly, with the summer coming up and lots of strappy fashions, these do come in handy, and I do not own any. I recently showed you how to use fashion tape to correct a gaping neckline on a dress, and I'll try to remember to link that video in the cards above, but this is a great way to get these and try them. And the final thing that I received in this subscription are pomegranate detox face masks, and I have to tell you that I can smell this right from where I am. It smells amazing. I am very partial to pomegranates, so this is the perfect scent for me, and this box has several masks in it. I'll show you, and there are actually 5 masks in this box. I want to tell you about these masks, and then we'll go over the value for this subscription. These particular masks sound really interesting to me, so I want to go ahead and read the back of the box. It says Pomegranate Detox Mask by the brand Hanky Panky Cosmetics. How cute is that? And it says naturally extracted high quality red pomegranate essence allows for easier absorption of water and nutrition present in the mask. This mask helps dispel toxins and excess oil while restoring your face's natural moisture. Regular use helps delay signs of aging and keeps your face well toned. So I totally need this. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I am a bargain hunter through and through, and I want to back out the value of the Bolzano subscription. So we're going to start with the pieces that I got inside of it. And it does not have a price list, but I'm just going to tell you what I historically would pay for each item. So I'm going to start with the necklace that I'm wearing that I am just loving, by the way. I would easily pay $10 for this necklace, easily. Next we have the strawberry lip scrub. If I'm being extremely conservative, I would say that I would pay $4.99 for this. So let's just round up to $5. A box of 5 pomegranate masks. I would easily pay $14.99 for a set of these. So we'll just round up to $15 to keep the math simple. A scarf that beautifully matches the bag. If I saw this just on its own, hanging on a rack, I would easily pay, let's say $4.99. We'll round up to $5 for this. I'm not going to lie, I have no idea how much nipple covers cost. But if I had to guess, I bet these are at least $10. A matching vegan leather accessory. This is a hard one to call because it is custom made to match the bag, so I'm going to put a retail value on this of $20 just in my head. So for $43.95, I got $65 worth of goodies and the bag. I honestly feel that this subscription is one of those that is well worth the money. It's like either getting all of the goodies for free or the bag for free. Cannot recommend it highly enough if you can swing it. This bag costs me less when it's all broken down than a bag from Walmart, but it's a beautiful quality, and I get to be surprised every month with a new bag filled with goodies. If you're thinking about sprucing up your spring handbag collection, I am going to link the Bolzano website down below. I'm also happy to tell you that the folks at Bolzano have graciously offered to give a gift to any of my subscribers that decide to sign up. When you go to the Bolzano website, you will put Theresa Gift, all capital letters. I'll put all this information in the description box below, and you will get a free gift with your first order. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.